Hello friends, I'm Tracy. Welcome to my kitchen. We are doing a 3-in-1 marathon session of Christmas ideas. My last video was trifle and the previous idea was truffle, so if you haven't seen those, go check them out. They're on my channel, that is Baking Made Easy with Tracy. Being South African, we have amazing, warm, sunny Christmases. And so we've got lovely, creamy, sometimes fruity puddings. I'm gonna have to diet even before Christmas to be able to eat all the things that I'm making. But we're going to be doing a mango, yogurt and cream dessert. We're going to have traditional caramel peppermint crisp tart and an Eton Mess. Yes, what is an Eton Mess? I haven't a clue, but it's very tasty. Go Google it. Let us get started with our mango dessert. Everything I'm giving you today is so easy. That's why it's a 3-in-1. Should be really quick to watch. Otherwise, just scramble through to the ones that you want to look at. So let's get on with our mango. As you see here, I have mango, which I've chopped up. We've got cream, which I've whipped to soft peak consistency, and I've got double cream yogurt, plain yogurt. So equal amounts, however much you want. I've got a cup of cream and a cup of yogurt. So we're going to put those together and beat them to a stiff consistency. I put the two bowls together of cream and yogurt. I've whisked them up, and now I am going to place some pieces of mango into the bottom of my bowl. You can choose any size bowl that you want. We're going to layer everything. I'm going to put a layer of our creamy mixture. Looks good. Okay. And then a little bit of sugar in between. So I put out about 125 mils of sugar. I don't know how much I'm going to need. Just going to take a big pinch and swirl it in. And then we're going to put some more mango in. And we're just going to layer it up like that. Some more of our cream and yogurt. More sugar. Just a little bit of sugar. And seeing as though we've done the 3 mangoes, let's just finish it off. Cream and yogurt. Final layer of yogurt at the top and some more sugar. Maybe put a little bit more this time. We're going to heat it up. If you've got a blowtorch, how many people have blowtorches in the kitchen? I don't know. Do it very gently. Heat up your sugar so that it melts on the top and has a lovely consistency of melted sugar. Otherwise, put it into the oven and grill it just for a short amount of time so that the sugar melts. I did mine under the grill and it's come out beautifully brown, the sugar, and you can just put a few goodies on the top if you want to, or just leave it browned like that. Then you put it in the fridge and serve it cold on Christmas Day. It is an absolutely delicious pudding. On to our second recipe, the caramel peppermint crisp tart. So this is divinely decadent. Very sweet, can't have a lot of it, but oh, you can't have Christmas without a peppermint crisp tart. Also very easy, more layering and very few ingredients. So let me show you what I've got. I have peppermint crisp. I've grated some that I'm going to put on the top, and I've chopped up some that I'm going to mix in between. I have 250 mils of cream that I have whisked up to soft peaks. I have a tin of caramel that I've taken out and I've just whisked it to get a smooth consistency. And we got a packet of tennis biscuits, coconut biscuits, whichever brand you like to use. We're going to take our cream that we've whisked and our caramel, we're going to put it into a bowl and we're going to mix it up. It's looking mighty delicious, just like that. Take the majority of peppermint crisp chunks that I cut up. So it's maybe 1/3, 2/3 division. And so I'm putting the 2/3 in, mix it up, layer the base, cream and caramel treat. Smooth out the top layer. To finish it off, we're going to put the rest of the peppermint crisp on the top. Keep this in the fridge for a number of hours before you serve it, so make it the day before, then it's one less thing to do on Christmas Day. Right, the last recipe. It's not South African. Yes, if you've Googled it in the meantime, Eton Mess is actually English. Apparently comes from Eton College, but we're going to take it for ourselves. It is so delightful. It's a mixture of sweet with meringue and the plainness of cream, burst in the mouth of strawberries and blueberries, all mixed together. Looks delicious, tastes even better. All you need, strawberries and blueberries, and I squished them up a bit so that the juices come out. You need 250 ml of cream and 5 ml of vanilla essence. Those I have mixed together just till it holds its form, the 5 ml into the cream. I made meringues and then I burned them. So hence the color of my meringues, but it's going to taste delicious anyway. So what we're going to do is we're going to bung it all together, put it in the fridge and eat it for pudding. Quick and easy as that. Let's take our cream, our beautifully formed meringues. We're going to squish and throw them in to the cream. Just break them up and mix those into the cream. Take your fruit, throw all your fruit in and mix it up. It does look like a bit of a mess, doesn't it? I'm sure you could make yours look better than mine. If you want to serve it into a glass, like we did our trifles, that might be pretty. In a bowl and dish it out when it's time for pudding. So I thank you for joining me for our Christmas ideas. Please like, share and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Goodbye.